Hiya, I'm Simon Mole and I am a poet. By the end of this video, you will have written a poem. The theme of National Poetry Day this year is truth. And today we're going to find out whether making stuff up in a poem about real life can actually make it feel more true. Before we start any writing, I want you to think of a few memorable events or moments from your own life. Something that actually happened, which you can picture clearly. So that could be a first day at a new school, or the time you ate the best pizza ever. It could be a special holiday or outing. It could be something sad, like a pet dying, or it could be something you've done that you're proud of. Something annoying, like getting locked out or the car breaking down, an injury, an accident, a brilliant birthday party. No need to write anything yet. Just pause the video to think or talk about a few events and then hit play when you've got some in mind. Nice one. Now you're going to pick one of those moments, something that you're comfortable doing a bit of writing about, and you're going to come up with a title for it. The day we won the cup, a perfect pizza, tow truck tragedy. Do you get the idea? Pause the video to sort your title out and write it at the top of your page, and then hit play when you're ready to move on. Great. First up, we're looking for a few visual details from that memory. The objects, things, people that you saw. Note form is fine at this point, but do try and be as specific and detailed as you can. So instead of just putting my kids, because they were there when my car broke down, I might put two tiny toddlers by the roadside or the rainy roadside. Pause the video to note down at least 3 visual details from your memory and then hit play when you're done. Great. Next up, what did you hear at that moment or event? Even better if you can describe the sounds too. So instead of writing the sound of the engine, I might put the engine spluttered, or I could write whir, chick, 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 chick. This one might be a good chance to use some onomatopoeia. Pause the video to get your sounds down on your page and then hit play when you're ready for our next prompt. Great. This time we're looking for colours. Again, be specific and say where you saw those colours as well. So instead of just putting blue, I might say the metallic blue of the car bonnet. Instead of grey, I could say dirty grey tarmac. Pause the video to add some colours to your notes and then hit play when you're done. Nice one. This time, you're going to write a few simple sentences describing the main action of your memory. To be clear, I'm not asking for absolutely everything that happened start to finish, just the most important things. So for mine, I might put, the mechanic couldn't fix our car, the tow truck took hours to come. Pause the video to get your notes down, and then hit play when you're ready to move on. Awesome. You've now got in front of you a realistic, poetic description of what happened. The truth. But I find that to bring a poem to life, usually you need more than that. So we are going to make something up. Something that did not actually happen. Probably something a bit magical. But here's the trick. The imagined magical element that you add to your poem has to be connected to the emotion of the memory. For example, if you were feeling angry, you could say that the legs of the chair you were sitting on turned into snakes. For mine, me and my family were feeling bored waiting for the tow truck. So maybe by the end of my poem, my kids have turned into stone statues. Or because I was feeling anxious, and for some reason that made me think of crows, maybe when the mechanic opens the bonnet of the car, thousands of crows squawk out and peck at his jacket or carry off pieces of the engine. Take your time to craft a few sentences that you really like here, because this part is going to make a big difference to how your poem turns out in the end. Pause the video to have a go at that now, and then hit play when you're done. Nice one. You've done the hard work. Now it's time to have some fun playing around with your answers. First of all, read them aloud in any order. And you might actually find that's it, that's your poem. My one might start, splutter, chick chick, the mechanic couldn't fix our car. Dirty grey tarmac, two tiny toddlers, and then I'll just carry on from there. Don't worry if you feel like you haven't got a clear beginning, middle, end in the way that a story would. People will enjoy connecting the details and working out for themselves exactly what happened. So, of course you can add stuff, you can change bits, you can move the order around. You might want to write an edited version of the poem on a new page, but however you choose to approach it, I would love to read the poem once it's done. So please whack it up in the comments underneath the video, or you can share it online using the hashtag #MyNPDPoem. If you've enjoyed the video today and you want to do some more writing, the National Poetry Day website has got loads of activities and ideas which you can use the whole year round. Thanks for watching.